Do this workout for 7 days to strengthen your voice. Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you, but this time with a 7-day Strengthen Your Voice vocal workout challenge. Now, this vocal workout challenge will 100% help to strengthen and build power into your singing voice if you can give it the time it deserves. Doing this 7-day workout challenge is a commitment to yourself and to me as your YouTube coach. It will take you just 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes a day to improve your voice. That is not that much. Now, can you commit to showing up for those 10 minutes a day? Now, that is the question. Now, when it comes to developing your voice, it's really all about teaching your voice new improved habits. We need to teach your voice new improved habits and coordinations in order to overwrite those old habits and old coordinations. And this is done through repetition, and doing this 7-day vocal workout challenge is really going to help to build those new coordinations into your singing voice, which is going to help to strengthen and build power into your voice. Okay, I don't want to talk too much on this video because it's really all about the workout, which is just going to take 10 minutes of your time a day. So let's do this. Welcome to the Strengthen Your Voice Vocal Workout Challenge. Do this workout every day for 7 days to notice the difference in your voice, to really build that good coordination that's going to build strength and power in your voice. The first exercise we're going to start with is the lip trill. Let's do this. You can continue. Being mindful of your airflow and inhaling through your nose, not your mouth. Of your airflow as we go higher. Good. Only go where it's comfortable. Good. Being mindful of your airflow. Nice, back down. Making sure those bottom notes are strong in order to support the top. Keep it going. Almost there. Keep being mindful of your airflow. Just a few more to go. This is the last one. Well done. Next we have the edgy ah. This is going to be the scale. And then the next one's the exercise. Keep it nice and clear. We don't want it to be breathy. Good, keep it going as we come back down. Nice, and that's it. The next exercise we're going to do is the bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Let's do it. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. You can continue. Really engaging chest voice resonance with this one. Don't try to make it sound pretty. Don't let it get breathy. Nice and clear in the tone. Good. Bringing it down. Staying in chest voice territory. Keep that B nice and strong. Bow, 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 bow. Nice and strong. And we're almost done. Good. And this is the last one. Well done for that one. The next one we're going to do is the bratty na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. You can continue. Keeping it really bratty. Try not to get louder as we get higher. You gotta get really annoying with this one. Nah. Keep it going and only go as comfortable as it feels. Good. You're doing well. Bringing it back down. Keeping it bratty. Na 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 na. Good. Almost done. Na 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 na. This is the last one. And then we're done with this one. Na na. Well done. Our last exercise is the lip trill. Now, what we want to do with this is just relax everything. The lip trill alleviates that tension and pressure from the voice. So we want to relax everything as we finish this workout, this daily workout. You can continue on. Being mindful of your airflow. And inhaling through your nose, not your mouth. It will make it so much more easier. Keeping that lip trill loose and dopey. Good. Still being mindful of airflow, especially as we get higher. We have a tendency to push too much air through. Just being aware can help. making those bottom notes nice and strong to support the top. Good. We're almost there. Almost there, almost there. Keep it up. Good, and this is the last one. Well done. That was the workout. Come back, do this workout again tomorrow. See you then. Peace out. That's it for your 7-day Strengthen Your Voice vocal workout challenge. After you've completed your 7 days, comment below and let us know how you got on and if you feel like it made a difference in your voice. I know if you do it for 7 days, it 100% is. If you like this challenge, why not join our free 7-day voice health and mindset challenge on our app? Each day you'll receive daily voice workouts as well as health and mindset tasks which are designed to really help improve your singing voice and build in good, consistent daily habits and disciplines to help you reach your highest potential. Now you can download my app on the App Store and Google Play, and there's also a desktop version. I will leave the link below. Stay tuned for next week's 7-day vocal workout challenge, and if you're new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. But that's pretty much it from me. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.